If you're experiencing crashing issues with FIFA 24, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the problem. Follow these steps to help stabilize your game. Step 1. Update your game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available patches. Step 2. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer or console meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the required specifications, you may experience crashes. Upgrade your hardware if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher like Steam or Origin to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help eliminate crashing issues. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings of FIFA 24 can improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Access the game settings and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows to see if it stabilizes the game. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing FIFA 24. Programs that consume significant system resources can interfere with the game, leading to crashes. Use the task manager to shut down any non-essential applications. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce the crashing issues in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.